In this video, we listed the 10 best interesting gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Nana Zero Wood Skin Surfboard. The Nana Zero Wood Skin Surfboard Mid-05 Quad Fish Navy Mid-Length is a high-quality surfboard designed for surfers looking for durability, performance, and lightweight handling. This model features a wood skin construction, which combines the aesthetic appeal and strength of wood with modern materials to provide a strong yet lightweight board. The Mid-05 design is ideal for intermediate and advanced surfers, balancing between a shortboard and a longboard in its mid-length size, making it versatile for various wave conditions. This quad fish board design features a 4-fin setup, which enhances speed and maneuverability, while the fishtail shape offers extra stability and better control during fast turns and carving through waves. The navy finish gives it a sleek and stylish appearance, complementing its performance-oriented design. The Nana Zero Wood Skin Surfboard is suitable for those looking for a durable and lightweight option, ideal for surfers who appreciate the combination of modern technology with the timeless feel of wood aesthetics. Its versatile design makes it a great option for catching different wave sizes and types, appealing to both Nana Zero fans and surf enthusiasts looking for a reliable, high-performance board. Product 2. Product name, Darts Professional Pro Metal Plastic Darts. Their Darts Professional Pro Metal Plastic Darts set is designed for both recreational and competitive players seeking high-quality darts for use with electronic dartboards. This set includes 6 darts weighing 18 grams each, featuring soft tips, making them ideal for electronic dartboards without causing damage. The darts combine metal and plastic materials to balance durability, precision, and weight. The steel tips ensure better grip and performance during throws, while the soft tips enhance safety, especially for indoor use. With its robust design, this set appeals to players aiming to improve their accuracy and skill, offering a comfortable grip and balance for professional-level gameplay. It is a suitable option for home setups, bars, or professional dart tournaments that utilize electronic dartboards. Product 3. Product name, AYA-NEO Pocket S Android Gaming Handheld. The AYA-NEO Pocket S Android Gaming Handheld is a powerful and compact device designed for high-performance gaming on the go. Equipped with the Snapdragon G3X chipset, it delivers exceptional processing power, making it suitable for running demanding games and applications. The device comes with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring ample space for a large game library, media files, and applications. Its 6-inch 1080p IPS touchscreen display offers vibrant and sharp visuals, enhancing the gaming experience with a responsive and immersive screen. Running on Android OS, the AYA-NEO Pocket S provides access to a wide array of mobile games and applications from the Google Play Store. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it an ideal choice for both casual and serious gamers seeking a handheld solution for gaming on the go. The device's classic appeal is combined with modern technology, offering users a nostalgic gaming experience with the power of a contemporary mobile gaming console. Its robust hardware specifications, including a long battery life and support for high-resolution graphics, position it as a premium option in the Android handheld gaming market. Product 4. Product name, Outdoor Games. Outdoor games provide fun and engaging activities for adults and families, perfect for gatherings in backyards, beaches, tailgates, and lawns. These games are versatile, designed to bring people together while offering entertainment in outdoor settings. Yard games like cornhole, bocce ball, and giant Jenga are great for backyard parties, promoting light competition and teamwork. Beach games such as paddleball, frisbee, and spikeball offer physical activity on sand, blending exercise with leisure. Tailgate games like ladder toss and beer pong bring excitement to pre-game gatherings, while lawn games provide a relaxed environment for families and friends to bond. These outdoor games encourage social interaction, exercise, and fun for players of all ages. Product 5. Product name ProNext Karaoke Machine with Lyrics Display Screen. The ProNext Karaoke Machine with Lyrics Display Screen is a modern, feature-rich karaoke system designed for adults, ideal for parties and gatherings. It boasts a built-in 14-inch tablet with Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling users to access and display lyrics seamlessly during performances. The system includes Bluetooth functionality, allowing for easy connection to smartphones or other devices for music streaming, along with two rechargeable UHF microphones that offer wireless convenience and high-quality sound for duets or solo performances. This karaoke machine is equipped with DJ lights, enhancing the party atmosphere with dynamic visual effects. Its portability makes it convenient for both indoor and outdoor events. With the combination of powerful speakers and a sleek design, the ProNext Karaoke Machine ensures an engaging and immersive entertainment experience for karaoke lovers. Product 6. Product name 2 Stones Rock Climbing Fingerboard. The 2 Stones Rock Climbing Fingerboard is designed as a versatile training tool for rock climbers, focusing on improving finger strength and grip endurance. This door-mounted training station doubles as a rock climbing hangboard and a pull-up bar, making it a valuable piece of equipment for both hanging practice and finger strength development. It's built for those who want to enhance their climbing abilities in a home setting, offering various holds and grips that simulate the demands of outdoor rock climbing. The board's design is meant to help users increase strength in the hands, fingers, and forearms, which are critical areas for rock climbers. Its door-mounted installation ensures easy setup, allowing climbers to practice at home without needing complex equipment. The 2 Stones Fingerboard is ideal for strength training, warm-ups, and conditioning for climbers of all levels, providing a reliable way to train in between climbing sessions. Product 7. Product name Ludo Game Set. The Yellow Mountain imports 2-in-1 reversible wooden snakes and ladders. Ludo Game Set is a versatile board game, combining 2 classic games into one compact and beautifully crafted set. The 11.3-inch wooden board features a reversible design, allowing players to enjoy snakes and ladders on one side and Ludo on the other. This dual functionality makes it ideal for family game nights, travel, or as a gift for game enthusiasts. Crafted from durable wood, the set combines the nostalgic appeal of traditional board games with the aesthetic charm of a wooden design. The high-quality finish adds durability, ensuring long-lasting use, while the wooden playing pieces maintain the classic feel of the games. Snakes and Ladders provides a fun, simple, luck-based game, while Ludo offers a more strategic challenge, making the set suitable for both younger children and older players. Product 8. Product name, Noco Boost X GBX45. The Noco Boost X GBX45 is a 1250A ultrasafe portable lithium jump starter designed for both convenience and power, ideal for vehicles with up to 6.5-liter gas and 4.0-liter diesel engines. This compact yet powerful device serves as a car battery booster pack, offering a reliable solution to jumpstart dead batteries in cars, trucks, boats, and more. Additionally, it functions as a USB-C power bank, capable of charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices, making it versatile for emergency use or travel. The GBX45 features ultrasafe technology, ensuring it is safe and easy to use by protecting against sparks, reverse polarity, and other potential hazards. It comes with jumper cables, allowing quick and efficient battery jump starts. With a 12V power output, it's compatible with a variety of vehicles and is ideal for those who need portable, on-the-go power. This jump starter is highly compatible with your interest in automotive tools and emergency devices, aligning well with other gadgets like portable air pumps, car cleaning tools, and tire inflators, all of which contribute to enhancing your vehicle's maintenance and emergency preparedness setup. Its USB-C charging capability and compact design add to its appeal as a multifunctional gadget, suitable for keeping your electronics powered and ready. Product 9. Product name Waydo Flyer ONE Plus eFoil. The Waydo Flyer ONE Plus eFoil is an advanced electric hydrofoil surfboard, designed to provide an exhilarating and effortless surfing experience. This EPP, expanded polypropylene, electric paddle board stands out with its cordless electric hydrofoil technology, which allows riders to glide above the water at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. The Flyer ONE Plus features a rechargeable battery that provides an impressive 120 minutes of ride time, making it perfect for extended sessions on the water. It is marketed as the world's first cordless electric hydrofoil, which sets it apart from other traditional electric surfboards and paddleboards by eliminating the need for cords, enhancing freedom of movement and ease of use. This electric surfboard offers a high-performance hydrofoiling experience, with easy-to-use controls, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced riders. Its compact and durable design, combined with cutting-edge hydrofoil technology, makes the Wado Flyer ONE Plus a leading choice for water sports enthusiasts seeking the thrill of flying above water with the convenience of electric power. Product 10. Product name: Sunnyfield Oversized Heated Camping Chair. The Sunnyfield Oversized Heated Camping Chair is a premium outdoor seating option, designed for comfort and durability, making it ideal for a wide range of activities such as camping, lounging on the patio, or relaxing in your backyard. This chair features a padded round moon saucer design for enhanced comfort, offering a cozy, lounge-like experience. Its heated seating function adds a layer of luxury, ensuring warmth even in colder conditions, which makes it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who camp in cooler weather. The chair is built to be heavy-duty, supporting up to 500 pounds, which ensures stability and longevity even for larger individuals. It is equipped with convenient features like a cup holder and an armrest, enhancing user comfort. This foldable, portable design allows for easy transportation and setup, making it highly practical for outdoor use. This heated chair can be compared to other personal comfort devices, such as the Ranvu 2024 ITSA Light Neck Air Conditioner, as both provide targeted comfort for outdoor activities, whether through heating or cooling mechanisms. The chair's robust and cozy design aligns well with outdoor gear preferences, similar to the Grail GeoPress water purifier and Sportneer hiking compass, catering to adventurers who prioritize